Hey everyone, and welcome! I'm so excited to have you here with me today. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating adventure to learn about the rich and vibrant Igbo culture, a culture that has thrived for centuries in southeastern Nigeria. We're going to explore something really special called Omenala, which is the heart and soul of Igbo traditions and customs. Omenala means customs or traditions. It's a term that encompasses the entire way of life for the Igbo people. It's like a guidebook that's been passed down through many generations, teaching the Igbo people how to live harmoniously, respect each other, nature, and even the spirits that they believe inhabit their world. This deep-rooted tradition is what makes the Igbo community so strong, resilient, and unique in its own right. One of the most important aspects of Omenala is the profound respect for elders. This respect is not just a formality, but a deeply ingrained value. Older people are seen as the custodians of wisdom, with years of experience and knowledge to share. They are the living libraries of the community. There's a saying in Igbo, "Igwe bu ik," which means respect is strength. This saying underscores the importance of valuing the insights and guidance of those who have come before us. It's a powerful reminder that we can learn so much from the experiences and stories of our elders, and that their wisdom is a treasure trove for the younger generations. Community is super important in Igbo Omenala. The sense of belonging and working together is a cornerstone of their way of life. There's a beautiful word, Ubuntu, which means humanity towards others. This concept is all about mutual support and collective well-being. It's all about helping each other out, whether it's working together on farms, building homes, or supporting one another during challenging times. The spirit of Ubuntu is alive and well in Igbo culture. As they say, Onye agana nwane ya, no one should be left behind. This saying emphasizes the importance of community solidarity and ensuring that everyone is cared for. The Igbo people also have a deep and abiding connection with nature. They see themselves as stewards of the land and believe in living in harmony with the environment. They believe in protecting the land and living in balance with the environment. This includes sustainable farming practices and conservation efforts to preserve their natural surroundings. They take care of the forests and rivers, ensuring that these vital resources are preserved for future generations. Their approach to nature is a testament to their respect for the earth. It's a reminder that we're all part of something bigger than ourselves, and that our actions today can have a lasting impact on the world around us. Igbo Omenala is like a treasure chest filled with wisdom, values, and traditions that have been passed down for generations. It's a living heritage that continues to shape the lives of the Igbo people. It teaches us about respect, community, cooperation, and living in harmony with nature. These are timeless lessons that resonate with all of us, no matter where we come from. Let's celebrate the beauty of Igbo culture and remember the important lessons that Omenala teaches us. It's a culture rich in history, values, and a deep sense of community. Thanks for coming along with me on this journey into Igbo Omenala. I hope you've enjoyed learning about this incredible culture as much as I have enjoyed sharing it with you. Until next time, remember to stay connected to your own culture and traditions. They are the threads that weave the fabric of our identities and communities.